Bananas contain water and fiber, both of which promote regularity and encourage digestive health. Mangoes are a good source of protective compounds with antioxidant properties. These plant chemicals include galatanins and mangiferin. Both have been studied for their ability to counter the oxidative stress associated with day-to-day living and exposure to toxins. Mangoes contain reasonable levels of both vitamins A and C. Vitamin C is involved in the formation of collagen, the protein that acts as a scaffold to skin, keeping it plump and firm. Vitamin C is one of the most important antioxidants, playing a protective role against environmental damage. A deficiency of vitamin C can affect wound healing and increase fine lines and wrinkles.